Okay lang naman, he looks well, he looks, healthy and, wala naman siyang, mga problema. I suggested na magpa-physiotherapy siya, but he refused, na mag-physiotherapy. So, we'll see tomorrow kung makumbinsi natin siya na physiotherapy in lieu of, his supposed dapat, everyday exercise. We don't see any way that the ICC will let go of the case of, President Duterte since, isa na lang ito, sa dalawa na ICC cases, no? So we don't think na they will let this go. This will really go to trial, and the best way to move forward is to prepare for trial.